Hello everyone. As you can hear, the goats are going off. Here's our two little piglets. Look at those big pigs. This is their temporary pen. We're getting ready to work on their final enclosure. Everybody say hi to the goats. Say hi, Sunday. The new pig pen area. Gonna be a mobile tractor for these two new piggies. Alright, and this is what we're at right now on the stopping point. As you can see, the way that we're doing this is notching the logs and putting the pig panel inside. So hopefully the pigs cannot get out. Fingers crossed. The type of logs that we're using are these burnt logs that were in a forest fire. Nice and dry. Hopefully they hold up. They held up in the ground last year, so we'll see. One of the joys of working out here in the wilderness. Working on the pig pen, and this little guy shows up. Working on the corner braces. These are going to sit right in the corner. Like so. And this will help give rigidity to the frame when pulling it. There's Honey doing honey stuff. What's up, Honey? Alright, so now we got the sides put up. Got all the fencing on. Threw up this triangle. This is going to be their little sunshade area. Using the same type of logs. We're going to put a tarp over this, and their house is going to be down underneath it. So if it rains, or if it's just unbearably hot, they'll be able to get out of the weather. Pretty simple design, nothing crazy, as you can see, but it's heavy enough that the pigs shouldn't be able to get up underneath it like just normal fencing. So now we got the final product completed. We got our shade up for our little piglets. This pen is ready to go. All we gotta do is move the piggies in their food and water bowl. All we used for this is a Shelter Logic style tent tarp. So that way, if it rains, they got a nice dry spot to go. After some pig wrangling time, we were able to finally get our new piggies caught and relocated to their new pen. As you can see, they're already enjoying the nice shade. Got their igloo that they like to hang out in, sleep in. They're just absolutely loving this nice fresh grass. Once it's all gone, we're going to move them down the field to some more lush grass until they're nice and big for the fall. Well, thank you everybody for watching. I know this was an adventure for us putting this pen up. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Enjoyed the view of Willow, Alaska. What a fine summer.